What is the foundation of true prayer?
If ye abide in me, and my words abide in you, ye shall ask what ye will, and it shall be done unto you.
Here we have a promise from Jesus that you can ask for what you want and it will be done. However, there's a condition that's attached to this promise. If ye abide in me, and my words abide in you. This is another reference back to the topic of faith. And a true living faith has to have the component of obedience. If ye abide in me highlights the fact that Jesus wants to have a relationship with you. And my words abide in you highlights your obligation in that relationship. Remember, in the chapter right before this one, Jesus said, if ye love me, keep my commandments.